Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's begin with a beautiful dot mandala in this MDF board. I'll keep yellow dot in the center. I'll keep white dots. I'll keep dots in Indian red. I'll keep tiny dots in Indian red. I'll keep some dots in teal blue. I'll keep tiny dots in teal blue. I'll keep some dots in turquoise blue. I'll keep tiny dots in turquoise blue. I'll keep dots in yellow. I'll keep dots in Indian red. I'll work the dots in Indian red. I'll keep brush strokes in teal blue. I'll keep brush strokes in turquoise blue. I'll keep smaller dots in white. I'll keep white dots in drop shape. I'll keep yellow dots. I'll keep smaller dots in white. I'll work the dots in white. I'll keep brush strokes in Indian red. I'll keep brush strokes in teal blue. I'll keep brush strokes in turquoise blue. I'll keep lumpy dots in Indian red. I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll keep lumpy dots in tail blue. I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll keep white dots. I'll keep white dots in drop shape. I'll keep yellow dots in oval shape. I'll keep smaller dots in white. I'll work the dots in white. I'll keep brushstrokes in Indian red. I'll keep brushstrokes in tail blue. I'll keep brushstrokes in turquoise blue. I'll keep white dots. I'll keep white dots in floral shape. I'll keep dots in yellow. I'll keep white dots. I'll keep brushstrokes in white. I'll keep brushstrokes in Indian red. I'll keep brushstrokes in tail blue. I'll keep brushstrokes in turquoise blue. I'll keep white dots in floral shape. I'll keep some white dots. I'll keep yellow dots in drop shape. I'll keep brushstrokes in Indian red. I'll keep brushstrokes in teal blue. I'll keep white dots. I'll keep turquoise blue dots in drop shape. I'm sure this mandala looks vibrant and beautiful. Thank you for watching.